Right, so this is my first flight with the DJI Avata 2. It's actually my first FPV drone, and I'm using the motion tree controller as a beginner. So I'm going to try this out today. We got a clear sky in Kuala Lumpur. It's really sunny right now, so I think it's pretty fun to fly this thing. And it's not that windy too, so I think it's fine. Adjust some settings. Okay. Yeah, I think that's cool. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and fly this thing. Wait, what? Oh, that's bad. My bad. Okay. Okay, we're good.
Oh, it sounds so tragic, or am I just over dramatic? No, no, I'm not ready to say goodbye. Oh, can only live one day at a time. Oh, no, I'm not ready. Oh, no, no, I'm not ready. No, no, I'm not ready to say goodbye. There's nothing fair about farewells, as the time has come to say goodbye to my youth. But I always hated goodbyes, make a joke of it to avoid the truth. Time's up, the clock ran out quick. I kept checking my phone, got no messages. I got overstimulated, complain too much, I'm impatient. No, no, I'm not ready to say goodbye. Oh, can only live one day at a time. Oh, no, I'm not ready. Oh, no, no, I'm not ready. No, no, I'm not ready to say goodbye. Goodbye, 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 goodbye. Oh, is this what life is? A half night's sleep and a quarter life crisis. Oh, it sounds so tragic, or am I just over dramatic? No, no, I'm not ready to say goodbye. Oh, can only live one day at a time. Oh, no, I'm not ready. Oh, no, no, I'm not ready. No, no, I'm not ready to say goodbye.
Okay. That's awesome. There you have it. My first flight as an FPV drone pilot, I guess.